Hello, third graders. For this lesson, it's probably one of the more difficult ones that we've had this year, where we're working with some different word problems, which means that we're going to be given some situations, and you really have to break it down into smaller pieces in order to solve the big problem. Vocabulary words I need you to focus on are digits. Once again, you need to understand that the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Digits together make numbers, bigger numbers. So the number 2 is also just one digit. 12 is a two-digit number with a 1 and a 2. So always remember that the digits um, are those symbols that make 0 through 9. Place value names, you got to keep memorizing these: 1, tens, hundred thousands, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and hundred thousands, which will actually only work up to 10,000s today. So let's kind of get started with this. Get your whiteboard out, get your whiteboard marker out, all that stuff. We'll start with our joke of the day here. Great joke today. What did the left eye say to the right eye? So think about your left eye. What would it say to your right eye if it was talking to each other? Between us, something smells. Makes sense? All right. Make sure you have your whiteboard ready. Now, I'm going to say this one time, and I'll probably say it another 10 times today. You have to write things down. You can't just try to do it in your head. It does not work. So please write things down. I don't want to see people not writing things down because that's when the mistakes get made. Just write it down, go through the work, and you'll probably get it right the first time. Okay, so now this is a whole lot of stuff to look at. So when I break it down into the different pieces, we have the 10,000s, we have the thousands, we have the hundreds, we have, and these are all in between the commas, we have the tens, and we have the ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values. So I'm going to draw these 5 different place values, and I'm going to represent them just with these lines. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. You do that on your board also. You have to draw those 5 lines with a comma in between. Pause the video if you need to draw that. Now what we have to do is we have to break this down. We have to go real slow, and we have to mark everything on here to keep it fresh in our brain. Otherwise, your brain's going to get confused with what you're doing. So you have to write things down. So what number has 7 10,000s? Now that's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot we have to do with this besides write that down. We have to find the 10,000s place. We have to put a digit 7 there. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So there's a 7 in that, it told us. Now we move on between this comma and this comma. So this next section, it's like the next step. It says 2 more thousands than 10,000s. Okay, so we're working in the thousands place right now, which would be this one right here. So if this is the thousands place, what about it? Well, they're saying the digit that's in this place value is 2 more than what's in the 10,000s, which the 10,000s was the first one we did. So if we look at the 7 here and we figure out what is 2 more than 7, well, 8, 9. So we are going to put a 9 in there. Some of you are going to make mistakes and you're going to say it should be 72,000 because you're only looking at the digits that are written here and you're not reading the directions. Okay, so some people are going to see the hundreds and they're going to see a 6, so they're going to put a 6 here, which would be wrong. Now we're working in the hundreds place, so it says 6 fewer hundreds than thousands. Okay, so now we're in the hundreds place, and it's saying 6 fewer, which to fewer means less, so we got to go backwards, subtract. So 6 fewer hundreds, so this is going to be 6 smaller than the thousands place. So if I have to, I could go over here, I could write myself a little subtraction problem. 9 minus 6 is 3, so my hundreds place has to be a 3. Then we have the next problem here. It says 4 more tens, so we're in the tens place now. 4 more tens than hundreds. So our hundreds place is right here, it's the 3. and I have to go 4 more. So 4 more than 3 is 7. And finally, 3 fewer ones than tens. So again, we're looking at the ones now, and we're comparing it to the tens place. So we're taking 3 smaller than this number. 7 minus 3 would be 4. Okay. All right. Erase those digits, leave those lines, because we're going to use those place values again. I'm going to draw them again just because mine disappear when I move to the next thing. 1, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. All right, now we got to start with what it says here. 9 10,000s. So I'm going to find the 10,000s place value. Again, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And all I do is I have to put the 9 in there. Done with that. So now I'm going to do the next step. Check 2 fewer thousands than 10,000s. Okay, so I'm comparing the thousands place, which is right here, to the 10,000s place. And they told me to do 2 fewer. So 2 fewer than 9 is 7. Okay, I am done with that step now. Breaking it down. I'm not worried about everything at once. Ooh, this one looks nice. No hundreds. Well, I can't leave it blank. Hundreds place. 1, tens, hundreds. So I have to hold that place value, the hundreds, by putting a 0 there. Have to have that. Otherwise, you won't have a 5-digit number. Next one. 8 more tens than hundreds. So we're comparing the tens place to the hundreds place. So we got to do 8 more tens than hundreds. Well, we look at the hundreds, there was nothing there. So if I take 8 more than 0, I'm going to end up with 8. Done with that step. I'm not trying to do them all at once. I'm breaking it down into pieces. And the last one, 3 fewer ones than thousands. So now the ones place is actually being compared way over here to the thousands. This isn't going to work. We made a mistake on this. We can't do that because that would give us a 2-digit number. That'd be 10. We can't do that. So let's change this to say 2. Oh, wait. I'm getting all mixed up. See, teachers make mistakes too. In my head, I was thinking more. Oops, I want my eraser. Oh, that's a wimpy eraser. Look at Mr. Aikoff, all your mistakes you're making. Okay, so it's doing, get my pen back here, 3 fewer, so I gotta go less with fewer ones than thousands. Okay, so I gotta go 3 smaller than the thousands here. So 7 minus this 3 would be 4. Now that's a good way to think though, and notice that I made a mistake, but then I realized it wouldn't work because if I would have gone 3 more, 3 and 7 is 10. Well, 10 can't fit into 1's place value. The biggest digit that can go in here is 9. But then by looking and reading it again, I realized, hey, Mr. Aikoff, you made a mistake, you little silly goose. All right, got that one. 97,084 is how you would say that. All right, I'm going to draw my lines here. But what I'd like you to do, challenge yourself. I want you to challenge yourself to see if you can do this problem right here without my help. So pause the video, try and do this problem all by yourself. All right, good luck. All right, hopefully you had paused the video there. And you're now going to check your work with mine. So I'm going to go through this one a little quicker, not explained as much. Okay, so my first step, I'm not going to look at it all, breaking it into chunks. 5 10,000s, I can do that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 5 there. 3 more thousands than 10,000s. Okay, so that's comparing to the 10,000. 3 more, 3 plus 5 is 8. It should be a 58,000 something. Done with that. 1 less hundred than thousands. So it's going to be 1 smaller than 8, so it'd be a 7. 2 more 10s than hundreds. So I got to go 2 bigger than 7 here, which would be 9. And finally, 5 fewer 1s than thousands. Ooh, okay, so 5 fewer 1s than thousands. So 5 fewer than 8. So if 8 minus 5 would be 3. Awesome. Think it in your head or say it, whisper it to yourself. 58,793. All right, one more problem. And I'm going to tell you this is going to be the hardest one because these aren't in a nice order. I mixed all the place values up. Doesn't make any difference. You're still going to do those same 5 place values. So you draw your lines, put your comma in there. It's not going to be any different. Okay? So I'm just reading the place value. 3 hundreds. Find my hundreds place. 1s, 10s, hundreds. Then 4 more thousands than hundreds. 4, okay, if this is thousands place, is going to be 4 more than what I have in the hundreds. So 4 plus 3, because it's more, equals 7. Next one, 5 more 10,000s than hundreds. So my hundreds is here, the 3. 5 more than 3 is 8. Simple, the math you got to do. This one's nice, 0 1s. Okay, so my 1s place, put a 0 there. And finally, 4 less 10s than 10,000. Okay, so my 10,000 here is the 8. 4 less than that is 8 minus 4 is 4. I can't say this enough. You guys, you have to write this down. Math doesn't need to be done in your head and shouldn't be done in your head all the time when you're trying to guarantee you're right. You need to write things down on your boards, pieces of paper, whatever you have in front of you. Don't try to do it all in your head because you get all mixed up. You see these digits up here and you just start writing them down. Some people are going to put 34,504 because they think it's all just in order. Don't do that. Don't let yourself get fooled. Take your time, watch the video again, see teachers if you need help, see a learning coach if they're available, but don't sit there and just keep doing things wrong over and over again. Get it down so you can move on to something else and be proud of yourself. All right, good job. Good luck.